Welcome to your back to school party hero kit. In this video, we'll show you how to create a beautiful balloon garland step by step for a clean, polished result. You can pause the video anytime if needed. First, inflate all balloons to the specified sizes, making sure they're round, not pear-shaped. If a balloon looks too long, gently let out a little air until it becomes perfectly round, then tie a secure knot. Pause here if needed. Next, tie the 12-inch and 10-inch balloons into pairs by knotting their ends together. Then twist 2 pairs together to create clusters of 4, keeping each color grouped together. Pause here if needed. Then tie the 5-inch balloons in pairs by knotting their ends together. Twist 2 pairs from the same color to create clusters of 4. Join 2 clusters using an uninflated 260 balloon. You can pause the video here before moving on to the next step. Now it's time to build your garland. Insert the knot of a balloon cluster through the larger hole in the garland strip, then slide it into the smaller hole to lock it in place. Continue adding the clusters and 18-inch balloons, alternating the colors as you go. Pause here if needed. You can hang your garland using hooks, place it on a stand, turn it into a balloon arch, or style it however works best for your setup. To finish, add your 5-inch clusters and foil balloon by wrapping a 260 balloon around them to secure them to the garland. Then attach the banner. And that's it! Your balloon garland is ready!